Welcome to our guide on enhancing customer interactions using WhatsApp business chatbots. With over 2 billion users, WhatsApp offers a vast platform for businesses to connect with customers. Let's explore how AI chatbots can streamline support and improve communication. Training WhatsApp chatbots involves designing clear conversation flows. Start by orienting users with welcome messages and direct links. Use plain language and empathy to facilitate understanding, ensuring interactions are concise and human-like for better customer engagement. Leveraging customer interaction data is crucial for effective chatbot training. Analyze chat transcripts, customer sentiment, and user preferences to identify patterns. These insights help refine chatbot responses, enhancing the overall customer experience on WhatsApp. Advanced personalization in AI chatbots can significantly boost customer satisfaction. By understanding purchasing behavior and identifying common problems, chatbots can predict future patterns, offering proactive solutions tailored to individual needs, thus enhancing user experience. Maintaining a consistent brand voice and tone is essential for customer support. Train chatbots on your brand's documents to ensure they reflect your company's personality. This consistency helps build familiarity and trust with customers, improving their overall experience. Enabling chatbot human handoff is vital for handling complex queries. While AI can manage repetitive questions, human intervention is necessary for intricate issues. Train chatbots to recognize when to transfer conversations, ensuring seamless support for customers. Implementing feedback loops is key to evolving your chatbot. Use post-chat surveys and sentiment analysis to gather insights. These data points help refine chatbot interactions, ensuring they become more empathetic and effective over time, enhancing customer satisfaction. In conclusion, training WhatsApp business chatbots involves clear conversation design, data analysis, personalization, and feedback integration. By following these strategies, businesses can create chatbots that delight customers. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better customer interactions.